God. My cat is like shedding like crazy and it's like all over. I probably seem like a crazy person right now. Before I get in the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get these videos out there for... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with something different today. So I decided to, since it is fall, I decided to talk about the great looks that you can do with fall. So I have some lipsticks and I have a great eyeshadow palette that I kind of use all the time, but I feel like it's really good for fall. And honestly, it's good year round. It just has really nice fall colors. I did use it on my eyes today. I will have everything listed down below what I have on my face. Before I get onto the video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification right next to it. Become a part of my mermaid family. And yeah, but for lipsticks, just to get started, I have on Bumble, and this is by ColourPop. This is such a really pretty peachy shade, but it's still like very fall-y. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to swatch it so you guys can see. So it's just this shade right here. I think this is so pretty. I think it's really good for every day too. Like, I can wear this every day. I can wear this with just liner and lashes, or I can wear this with a nice bold eye like I have on now. But I just think it's really nice. Whoa, this one needs to be closed. Hold it. And see, this is the ultra matte lipstick, so it dries really, really matte and it doesn't move. As you can see, I'm moving it all around. I like to wear liquid lipsticks when I go out because I know that they're not going to move. I don't have to retouch them. And sometimes if I do want to wear them during the day, I put like a gloss on top. But I just think this shade is really, really pretty, and I think it'll suit any skin tone. Just make sure that you use the right lip liner with it. Next, I have going off of like neutral lipstick, so I'm going to do like neutrals. Then I'm going to go on into dark lipsticks. So this is one of my everydays as well. This is MAC So Me liquid lipstick, and this is such a pretty mauve-y shade. I wear this every day. If I just want to have like a really bold eye, or I just need something on my lips. So this is it right here. I think it's so, so pretty. I love the plum undertones in it. It's just like, it's one of my favorites. And I have its sister here, which is the top with Brandy. And you'll see it's just a little bit darker. It's nothing too crazy, but it's still in that same range of the mauvies. It's really pretty. So this one right here is So Me, and then this is topped with Brandy. See, it is a little bit darker, but I love them. I love this darker one, especially at night. I love that because especially with like a dark eye, this is really, really pretty with it. So these are some like really good neutrals. So now I'm going to move into the color. So I think I'm going to start off with my favorite, which is Rebel. So when I first worked at MAC, this lipstick was like so popular. This was like such a great transition from summer to fall. Like I love this color, and it speaks for itself. Every time I have it on, I really get compliments on it. It's just such a good fall color. So this is Rebel right here. And I do have something similar to it, which is Oh Lady, which is, if you watch my my boyfriend does my makeup video, he uses that on me. Clearly I love it because it's completely gone. So it's very similar. This is just in a liquid lipstick, so it stays a lot longer. So these are the two right here. See, they're very, very similar. I guess it really depends. Like if I want to have this one stay on all night, I'll wear this one. And if I just want to just pop this on in the center or all over, then I'll put this one on. And I'm sorry, I did realize that I do have all MAC lipsticks. I did work for MAC for 5 years, so I do need to get with the times and get more lipsticks. But I do have two ColourPop ones though, so, and there's some more. There's definitely more fall lipsticks out here, but these are the main ones that I wear in the fall, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So the next one that I have is D for Danger, which is this one right here. It's in the same family as these two, but it's a little bit lighter. It's like a cranberry shade. It's right here. It's so, so, so pretty. I love this. And this goes great with like the eye I have on now. I think it would be really pretty. One eyeshadow that I did like, I don't know if they still have it, is Brown Script by MAC. I really like that eyeshadow. I feel like that'd be pretty with this. A dupe to that is Teddy by Teddy Bear, I believe, and it's by Makeup Geek. So I feel like that, like the warm rusty, kind of like my, oh, I do have a dress on, don't think I'm naked, but kind of like the dress that I have on, I feel like that'd be pretty with that. I think that'd be really pretty. Next I have Diva, and Diva is like another really popular lipstick. It's very similar to D for Dangerous, it's just a little bit darker. So this is more of like I feel like D for Danger is more of like a raspberry, and Diva is more of like a cranberry. So that's this right here. It's just like a really dark maroon shade. I think it's perfect for fall. I feel like if you really want a statement lipstick and you don't want to really wear a lot of makeup but you want a bold lip, I think this will be perfect. And yeah, moving on. So that's hella dark. We're not going to move there yet. So now I'm going to be going on to this ColourPop liquid lipstick here. This is called LAX, and this is like another dark shade. This is like really dark. So if you want dark lipsticks, I definitely suggest this one. This is just such a freaking statement. Like if you want to walk into a room and get all the attention that you deserve, pop this bad boy on and see how many compliments you get. Like this is so fall. I love this. And this is just great. So I locked my keys in my car and I think the guy's here. So I just heard a phone call. Yeah, it's one of those days, but you know, I still gotta make a video because life goes on. I'm trying to have positive energy and I still have hair on my face. Good news, guys. Got my keys. Alright, the next lipstick we're gonna talk about is, we're gonna move on to purples. So, if you really like dark lipstick, this is Smoked Purple by MAC. This reminds me of like Night Moth lip liner, which I have right here. These go together. So this is a blue toned purple. I think it's really nice for fall. It's very dark, very grunge. So the next one I have is Investigator, and I used to use this lipstick all the time. So it's just another dark purple. And okay, so this one reminds me of Night Moth. So Night Moth is right here, lip liner by MAC, and then this is Investigator, so they're very, very similar. This is another purple. As you can see, Smoked Purple is a little more blue toned, and this has a little more red to it. So that's the difference between those two. So really depending on if you like more red or blue toned lipsticks. The second to last one I have is my favorite. I did have Chocolate by MAC, but they don't have it anymore, of course. So something similar you can get is Film Noir. So I put it over here. So it's just a brown tone lipstick. It's right over here. I love brown tones. I can honestly pop it on with this to make it a little more smoky. I just think it's really pretty. It's a really nice, like, if you want like a statement lip and you don't want to have a lot of makeup on, you just want that nice bold lip, this would be perfect with that. If you just want to wear lashes with this, I think that'd be so, so pretty. That with like a highlight, poppin'. So brown is back. I'm trying to think what other liquid lipsticks that's brown. Oh my god, I have hair all over my face. Yeah, brown is back. If you want a liquid lipstick, very, very upset that MAC doesn't have chocolate anymore because it's just like a really nice brown. Oh, it's Chocotease. I looked at the wrong thing. Oh my god, maybe they have it. Hold on, let's check. I thought it was chocolate. Dang, they don't have it. Never mind. Whatever. So another rich brown lipstick by MAC is Antique Velvet. So that is matte. This one is not matte. This is more of a satin finish. So if you like matte finishes and you wanted a brown lipstick, then I would definitely do Antique Velvet by MAC. And if you wanted something like similar to the dress that I'm wearing, they have a lipstick called Chili. It's like so, so gorgeous. If I would have had that lip, I would have wore it with this eye right here because it all just ties together. I'm definitely gonna be picking up that lipstick just because I feel like it's so fall, and I love those like rich orange tones. So yeah, this last lipstick that I have are for my babies that love dark lipsticks. So this is In My Fashion, and this is like a really dark gray. This is like poppin'. Like if you want to stand out from the crowd, like definitely wear this. Like it's just such a nice, it's like a brown toned gray, and it does have a little bit of red in there. It's really, really pretty. God, I say that about every lipstick. Every lipstick is really, really pretty. But this is definitely like a statement. Like if you want to go out and just do like a really nice natural eye and have a bold lip, like this is definitely gonna start some conversations because it's such a great shade. Yeah, these are all the lipsticks I have on my hand swatched for you guys. So like look at all the liquid ones, like they're not moving at all. So that's it for lips. So that's it for lips, and for the eyeshadow palette I have my favorite, the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. I have it on right now. I have on Realgar. I have Realgar in the crease, and I have burnt orange in there as well. God, this hair is killing me. I don't know where the hell it is. But I think this is perfect for fall. Like I literally live in these right here. Like I'm already hitting pan on this one. I think this is a really good year-round palette because you can use these colors right here just for more of like a neutral eye. Like there's some mauves in there, and then if you want to be more bold, then you can go over here and just have like, you can even do like a brown smoky eye. You can do orange all over the lid. I've done that before. I'll insert a picture over here for you so you guys can see. And I do these all the time. Like I just love this palette, and the pigment in this is honestly bomb. Let me just show you the darker shade. So this is Cypress Umber. Like look at that pigment. I put it right here. Like, alright, this is Red Orchard. Look at that. The pigment is definitely there. This one is Love Letter. So I'm really loving this palette. I'm actually going on vacation to Florida, and I will be bringing this with me. And it also comes with a little brush too, and the brush is like really good. So it comes with this brush right here. It's double-ended, so you have a blending brush right here, and then you have like a packer brush. I like this brush. The quality is great, and the fact that it's double-ended is really, really nice. So yeah, I definitely think that all of these are great fall staples that you guys should have. Definitely not all of them, but if you did like some of them, I do have everything listed down in the bottom bar. Even my outfit. I know you guys are going to comment on my jacket because I get a lot of compliments on it. But yeah, if you do like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know, so I can give you more videos like this. Like if you guys want a winter one, what I wear in the winter, I'll definitely do that. Or for like holidays, I definitely want to do like holiday looks for you guys. The next video that I want to do is an easy Halloween look, so you guys don't have to go crazy. Like if you get invited to a last minute party, this is something you could do quick and easy. So yeah, and like I said, I'm going to be going on vacation for Florida. Going to Orlando with my boyfriend, and we will be vlogging. I did buy like a little thing for my phone so I can hold it and you guys can like see everything. And let me know in the comments down below which lipstick was your favorite. My favorite is definitely Oh Lady. I love this color. Clearly, like I said, it's gone, but it's such a good color. It's not too dark, not too light, and I just think it's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I helped you guys out with fall looks and lips and eyes and all that good stuff. So if you have any pictures, please tag me in them. I want to see what you guys come up with, what you guys create. If you want me to use this palette more, I do use it a lot on my channel, but if you want me to use it more with fall looks, I definitely will, because like I said, I love this palette and I have a lot of looks that I can do with this. So I wanted to show you guys the outfit that I wore in the video. If you want me to do more outfit try-ons or show you more of the outfits that I wear, just let me know. So this is the outfit that I was wearing. So it is a strapless dress, and then it is attached to the neck part, but I just put a jacket over it just to give it more of like a fall vibe. So yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye!